Welcome to the 4th of July episode of On Air with Mark. So happy Independence Day to all of you. For you Canadian fans, it is just another day. So, credit to the story goes to Fox 11 LA. 75 tons of illegal fireworks seized in largest bust in California history. So for you Canadians, let me know what the fireworks situation is over there. Are things bad or are things mellow? So within the past few years, especially with the virus, things have been really bad with fireworks. Just ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. Like it really does sound like a damn war zone. So I live in California, and yeah, the past couple years have been loud as hell. So I'm glad they're starting to crack down, especially with kids are burning themselves, and more people are getting hurt. Some lady lost her home because of a firework. So here we go. It's being called one of the largest firework seizures in California history. Cal Fire seized over 75 tons of illegal fireworks during a single operation. According to the police department, multiple arrests were made early Saturday morning after investigators discovered over 2,000 illegal destructive devices and 10 pounds of bulk homemade explosives. Oh God, we all seen that especially when I was younger. Uh, we would buy the piccolo pizza, chop off the bottom, then dump out the powder, and then we would get a an empty 2 liter, and then put the powder in, light it, then boom. Yeah, that was just stupid, very very stupid. But we were young. Officials said this was the state's largest illegal fireworks seizure, topping the 32 tons that were seized in 2021. See, I told you, 2021 in South Los Angeles. The seized fireworks have an estimated value of 7 million to 10 million. Investigators located the stash at a commercial warehouse in the 17,000 block of Vermont Avenue on Friday. Cal Fire determined the boxes of explosives were stable and took them to an undisclosed location in San Bernardino. So yeah, there you have it. 75 tons of illegal fireworks. So a few years ago, police here came across a suspicious truck. And so what happened is they sent in a bomb squad, and then they blew the truck up, and lo and behold, there were explosives in there, and it basically ruined the whole neighborhood. And now those people are living in hotels, and now that's a whole shit show. Yeah. So I want to know, what's the dumbest thing you've done with fireworks? Do you still like fireworks? Do you not care about fireworks? I don't care about fireworks anymore. So I really don't care if I ever get to light one again, because I just have no interest. When I have kids, maybe I'll gain more interest, but right now I do not give a damn. So yeah. 75 tons of illegal 75 tons of illegal fireworks. Crazy. So that being said, Happy Independence Day. Happy 4th of July. Y'all stay safe out there. Do not go blowing any fingers off, man. Don't do it. Don't be a Jason Pierre-Paul. So that being said, stay safe. On air with Marcus now. Off air.